Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and it's 90 degrees, so I thought I would just stay inside and make videos today. Sounds like a plan to me, right? So this is an Instagram inspired thing, kind of. Well, yeah, Instagram. My friend Debbie at Day's Dream has started showing her product on Instagram, and I'm scrolling through Instagram, just minding my own business, innocent. And up popped this picture, and I was like, seriously? Seriously? Okay. So, of course, I had to go. And I bought this painting. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm glad that you're on Instagram now. So, in case you don't know, Day's Dream Diamond Painting, they have Instagram. Check them out. Follow her on Instagram, okay? So, since I was getting this, I thought, well, I might as well get a couple things while I'm there, you know how that goes. Let's show you this one first. Let's save that for a minute, because that's the one that got me over there shopping in the first place. So we'll do this one first. This was well, I might as well, right? Might as well while I'm here. I like to support these small companies, these people who are really, really working hard. She's doing a good job. She's making sure that she licenses things and whatnot. So she's doing a good job there. Some artists, stock images. She's making sure that she's licensed though. So there you go. As you can tell, what do we have here? We have the white plastic. It's going to be a wreath, right? A wreath. I'm kind of obsessed with the wreaths. I don't know how many I got now. 6, 7, 8, I don't know. Or the other hangy things. But this one, well, how could I pass this one up? Right? How? I mean, it's got my favorite subject on it. Right there, big and bold. A big old dragonfly. I like these. They're colored in the background, so they're not just white shining through or anything. I like these. They got some different colors in the backgrounds. Rhinestones, specials. Should be really pretty. Look at the colors. Blues, oranges, yellows. Should be really pretty, right? Look, there's another dragonfly. There's a baby over here. Baby dragonfly here. Baby. Oh, there's one here too. Oh, there's more than one. I thought there was just this one big one right here. But no, we got some little ones too. Oh, quite a few little ones. Love that. Okay. I really like that. That's going to be pretty. Let's see what our colors are. Well, we can kind of see what the colors are, but we got to see what the special ones are and all that. So let's open it up. Yeah, I got quite a stack of things in the boxes or in these big white bags. I don't know about you, but I get in these, I find something I like, and it's just like, I gotta have it all, right? Pretty blues. If my camera will focus, that would be great. Come on, camera. There we go. Orange. Pink, gold, well, yellow, gold, clear, bronze. Here's our orange claws. I just call those orange claws from now on. They're used so much for claws. And then some gold balls. Nice. It will be really pretty. It's going to be my summertime decoration when the dragonflies come out. We saw the coolest dragonfly yesterday, you guys. It was black and white with like these pretty like iridescent wings. Well, they're all iridescent, but he was really cool. And he hung out. He just hung out with us. Like he wasn't going anywhere. Just hung around. We couldn't really scare him off. That's fun. Okay, so this is what I got. This is what I got. All right. Where do you open? It seems like it opens here. Does this pull out? What does this do? I don't know. I'm so confused. I'm so confused. Okay. No, that's not right. Is it tearing the bag? Hang on. What in the world? No, I think it is right. I don't know. Okay. Did, what in the world? It's like, it's a bag in a bag. Oh, okay. All right. We'll just ignore that. I don't know what the deal is with that bag. Wow. Okay. It's a poured glue canvas. It's a nice feeling canvas. It's kind of soft and supple and, you know, soft and supple. It's rhinestones. Look at that. Rhinestones. Okay. We've seen that. Okay. I wonder if this came from the same place that like Amy from Crystal Canvas used to get hers. I don't know. Very reminiscent of that. Anyhow. Okay. I don't know how well this is going to show up, but I had to do this. It's got 30 colors. There's the legend. There's the picture. You can't really see it. Let's see if it shows up. Okay. Look at it. Isn't it cute? Baby, it's cold outside. Okay, that was controversial. You know, last year at Christmas time, that was controversial, you know. Anyhow, good old Christmas song got controversial, but I still love it. I have a shirt, and I rocked my shirt too. I was like, baby, it's cold outside. I do not feel like I have been, and I'm not getting into it. Anyhow, look at him. Little gnome. Look at this cup of cocoa. I'm calling it cocoa because I don't drink coffee. So that's going to be a big old cup of cocoa. I hope this turns out. It looks so light on here. I just hope it turns out. What is behind it? It looks like a little beehive. A little house. Maybe that's his house. Maybe that's his house and he's outside with his cocoa. Could be. I don't know. I think you just gotta put the drills on this and see how it turns out. That's what I'm thinking that is, but I don't know. I could be wrong. All right, let's see these. See what kind of colors we have. Clearly red, yellow, white, or clear, because to get this white, they'll have to use clear because there isn't a white rhinestone. Let's see what we got. Let's just see what we have here. All right. There is, like I said, yellow. Lots of yellow. Are these in order? Yeah, they're in order. Okay. Reds, pinks, reds, and deep, deep garnet red. Is that one? No, it's 10. I don't know. They're in order. Oh, one's in the bag still. That's why. Okay. Purple. Light purple. Some orangey. And then we get, I don't know, smoke. That smoke color. Green, gold, bronze, bronze, bronze. That just looks clear. It's clear, but it's not like that. I'm going to save that out for a second. Champagne with a green hue. Smoke. Smoke on the water. That almost looks kind of pink. Black. Okay, black resin. That, maybe. Yeah, that's black resin. Okay. That's purple and yellow. What is this one? Just a light champagne-y color. And then we got this whole big bag right here of the clear, the number 1. Because all that background and his beard is that. So what's different between that and this? Something, clearly. Hang on. They're clearly different, right? These are like almost a white clear, and this has some color to it. That's the difference. That looks like maybe it has a little hue of pink or something. But they definitely are different next to each other, aren't they? Totally different. All right. Well, now you know. Bunch of those. Okay. Well, it's cute. I could not resist it. Couldn't resist it. I saw that and I was just like, yes. It's a gnome. It's got the, yep. So let's try it out. Let's try it out and see how it turns out. That's what I got. I certainly wish I knew what this was. Let me know what you think. It looks like it's his house. Maybe he's just standing way outside. He's got a wand, though, so be careful. You know, a gnome with a wand, I don't know what's going to happen there, but... does he have a cookie? He's got cookies. Look, he's got cookies with his hot cocoa. Dear Chuck. Chuck says, cookies? We're talking about cookies? Yes, please. I'll take cookies. He can't hear me. No. Anyhow. Okay. Well, thank you. Day's Dream. I will link them below so you can go check them out. She does have crystal paintings. She has regular drill paintings. She has drills. She has cover minders. She has some tools, just an assortment of things. So if you've never checked out Day's Dream diamond painting before, her logo's up here. Day's Dream. See, look. Day's Dream. Right there. Check her out. All right. She's a hard-working lady that's trying to earn a living with some diamond paintings and learning along the way, licensing and things like that. Okay? All right. That's what I got. Thanks for watching, everybody. And it's not cold outside today. It's funny. I'm unboxing this today. It's 90 right now. 90. Baby, it's not cold outside. All right. I'll talk to everybody soon. If you enjoyed this or got anything out of it, hit the like button. If this is your first time here, I hope you enjoyed it and you think about coming back, maybe subscribing, okay? All right. I will see everybody soon. Bye, everybody.